Sit with your legs stretched forward and back straight. Bend your left knee and bring the sole of the left foot inside the right thigh towards the pelvis. Inhale, and raise your both hands up. As you exhale, fold forward. Try to grab your right feet with your palms and touch your forehead to your knee. Maintain the pose as you feel stretch in your hamstrings. Look up and stretch your hands up to bring them back. Straighten your left leg. To repeat from the other side, bend your right knee and bring the sole of the right foot to the left thigh. Inhale, and raise your both hands up. Bend forward while exhaling. Try to grab your left feet with your palms and touch your forehead to your knee. Maintain the pose as you feel the stretch in your back, left hamstring and calf. To release, look up and raise your hands and back up and straighten your left leg.